Hello, my name is Dwight Trollinger, and I am Jorah's father. He's the young wizard you saw up here earlier. I am currently dressed as a musicer pirate who only knows one song. I will be performing that for you today. It's called Captain Albert Alexander, and it is full of seafaring adventure. When he was a boy, he wanted to play down by the sea. At age 13, every day after school, he would always sail around the lake. All the people would stand and stare as he sailed around with precision and care. His bicorn cap, the way he would stand, he looked just like a Navy man. The townsfolk would gather and sing away, Captain Albert Alexander. He'll be a brave seafarer someday. But that Captain Albert Alexander, he'll go down in the waves. By age 24, he had left the shore and was sailing for the Queen. On a dark starry night, Albert awoke to the sound of his captain screaming as he was drowned. The Navy crew was taking a lick. Pirates had invaded the ship, but Albert, with one aimed harpoon, ignited their rum with the spark, and soon flames drove the pirates away. And the Navy said, Captain Albert Alexander saved his crew from pirate slaughter. But that Captain Albert Alexander, he'll go down in the water. Now everyone dance, 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 dance. Oh, dance, dance. 20-some odd years later, on a ship to sea later, he sailed into a mass of blubber. Looking up at the sky, stood a large walrus that was 100 stories high. It meant no harm, the walrus was in a great deal of pain. It suffered from a tusk whip to decay. Albert threw his anchor around its tusk with a little bit of pulling. It was out by dusk. The walrus thanked Albert and sang as he sailed away, Captain Albert Alexander, friend to sea urchin and me. But that Captain Albert Alexander, he'll go down in the waves. At a ripe old age, lightning struck from the sky and split Albert's vessel into 100 men fled for their lives on rafts across the ocean blue. Albert stood at the stern of his ship, a giant octopus held him in its grip, a vortex of spiraling death below it, and sharks and electric eels all made the trip to see Albert sink to the bottom of the sea. Just before he went down, he called out to his crew. It's obvious that my time has come. I'll let this ending ensue. I've led an exciting nautical life, it would seem. There's no greater end than a death by the sea. His crew sang, Captain Albert Allen.